Hello guys, this is me from Jaldisti. So basically what our project does is an smart flood estimation system by which we try to simulate our system by estimating its flood range and cost. So it basically focuses on hydrological modeling that develops by using D8 algorithm by which we try to improve and estimating the slope by which we conclude that the slope varies the change. So if we try to implement our project by directly putting to dashboard, we see that we have the selected areas like Kerala, Bihar, and Assam. So we select these areas only because these are the main complex areas of India by which there is a more chances of happening of these disasters. So if we select Kerala, and by selecting Kerala, if we select the rainfall ratio of up to 93 mm, and if we try to start our simulation, so we see that there is uh, not more than transitions are going to occur. And what if we increase the transition of rainfall in mm? Suppose like if we increase the transition of rainfall according to 209 millimeters, and the flood simulation must be around 24 hours. So with 12 hours. So we see that we got it our moderate zone where there is more chances of flood happening, and we got our medium zones, and we got our green and easy zones. And by our project, we also find the best rescue path. So if we select any distance into the zone and trying to estimate it, so it predicts the safest route by which we try to avoid from it and try to gather from the system. So this is our project by which we try to allocate our materials and try to demonstrate it. And it's calculating the path by tracking the latitude and longitudes. And after tracking the path, we got our report by directly downloading the report, and it got downloaded, received it. And we also show our flood risk intelligence system by risk matrix, by flood risk. And at last we have our own resource allocation, which is used by the government to allocate resource for the people which are get stuck in the area. So we start our optimization. So this is going on, and we see that the ambulances got 56% chances to occur at that places, which helps in estimating the need of 48 people. We got the need of boats because it's a subline area with a need of river. We got helicopters, personnel, news nights, medical kits. So basically this is our project by which we try to depict our hydrological model by estimating the satellite view of Copernicus DLO 3.0 and API and OpenMedia. Thank you.